Title: Guarantee. Meaning. Today, we're discussing the word guarantee. A guarantee is a noun that signifies a formal promise or assurance, often given by a person or a company, that a product or service will meet specific standards or expectations. It represents a commitment to quality and reliability. Pronunciation. Pronouncing guarantee is simple, ɡɛrən't, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, when you purchase a new appliance, the manufacturer may provide a guarantee that it will function properly for a certain period. Importance. Guarantees provide consumers with confidence in their purchases and offer a level of protection, ensuring that their investments are safe and reliable. Conclusion. In summary, guarantee is a word that represents the promise of assurance and quality, fostering trust between consumers and providers. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the significance of guarantees in securing your peace of mind in various transactions.